everyone, I welcome you all back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to make a perfect timetable for both students. You must have gone through YouTube and seen many videos that are telling wake up at 6 o'clock, do brushing and all till 7 o'clock, sit for first subject for at 8 o'clock. All these timetables are just nonsense. Everyone has different timetable. If you follow another timetable, you will not be able to follow it after a certain time, and if you give your timetable to anyone, they will not be able to follow after a certain time. Everyone has to create their own timetable that they have to create, not of another else people's. Now let's start class 10 time management. This can be used by class 12 students too. First work after waking up is to make a to-do list. That is very important. When you are waking up in the morning, just make one book for to-do list, everyone's, and write what you have to do in that particular day. Just write all the tasks you have to do in that day and what you have to study, which subject, which topic. Just write it number wise and just make a box there in front of every writing you have written. Okay, this you must do every morning you have to do what you are going to do in that particular day. And at the end of the day, when you will see at the evening or night time, when you will see all the tick mark on that box, you will be very happy and glad to see that, and it will give you an immense pleasure, and it will give you some determination to succeed, and it will motivate you to do more big things like that. So first thing is to make a to-do list when you wake up early in the morning, and in one day you must at least study four subjects. First is maths. That is very important to study maths and science, social science, and the last at night you may take at evening English literature and Hindi. These subjects are for evening time, like story time you can take, and social science, science, and maths. These three subjects you have to study in a day. You have to take certain topics in this subject and write it in your to-do list and complete it at the end of the day. Select topics for each subject to study in a day. Always come out from your comfort zone and don't be lazy at all. If you be lazy, you will not be able to reach your goal. So don't be lazy. Come out from your comfort zone and select topics for each subject. This topic I will finish for this subject today. Like that, you must write in to-do list and make a to-do list every morning. This is some motivational quotes. To be in the top 1%, you have to be willing to do what the other 99% aren't doing. So what they aren't doing, that you have to do so that you will be in top 1%. This is motivational quote. Climb mountains not so the world can see you, but so you can see the world. Ladder of success. First, to be successful, try again until you succeed. First step is I won't. That is at 0%. I can't. That is for 10%. Don't know how to do it. 20%. I wish I could. 30%. What is it? 40%. I think I might. 50% I might. 60% I think I can, and 70% I can, 80% I will, 90% and I did. That is the 100% ladder of success, and you are successful when you reach this 100% ladder of success. Summary: study 4 subjects in one day. Make to-do list after waking up in the morning. At the end of the day, when you have completed all your tasks or study, the tick mark will give you immense pleasure on your face. You can see everyone has different timetable, so do not ask anyone for their timetable, as that what works for them cannot work for you, and what works for you cannot work for them. At the end of the day, what is important is that how much you have knowledge gained at that day, how much knowledge you have gained on that day, particular day. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it when you do it. Thank you. Life will only change when you become more committed to your dreams than you are to your comfort zone. Comfort zone is just like lazy person's dream. I can say dream. A lazy person is always in their comfort zone, but who succeed are always committed to their dreams. Okay, thank you all, and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and if you feel motivated, hit the like button. Thank you. And do make timetable and make to-do list every morning. Thank you.